E tipu mai ana Joe Moody ki tuahiwi, engari mā te whutupōro, kua puta atu ia ki te ao.
Everyone come on this side!
I tēnei wā ka tuku te ringa āwhina ki te reanga hou.
To see the Ngāi Tahu side of it coming through and enjoying the footy side, because I know Ngāi Tahu does a lot with New Zealand rugby and the All Blacks experience and everything. So now it's been good to see these young rangatahi and everything coming through to enjoy the footy.
Ready, smile.
Ko muri tētahi o te tira whakahaere o tēnei kaupapa o All Blacks experience e whakanui ana i te hononga ki a Ngāi Tahu. He tuatahitanga kua kitea i konei.
It's been a massive age range from 6 or 7 through to mid-teenagers, and going from the skills and drills stuff to over and mix and mingling with some of the Crusader boys after their training. It's just been awesome to see the smiles on faces and I guess enjoying the footy side of things as well.
Nice. Good Dallas, good pass.
He oi ko tētahi atu uri no Ngāi Tahu tērā, kua noho hei kai whakahaere hou o All Blacks experience.
The purpose of today is to inspire our Ngāi Tahu tamariki to become what they want to become, All Blacks, All Black Ferns, or more importantly, we want to share our love of the game to our tamariki. Once they love something, they can do whatever they want.
Oh bro, you got 10!
Nā e ai ki e nei tamariki, he rā whakahirahira.
We got lots of signatures. Oh, we tried hunting down Will Jordan.
I like doing like the passing waves because it was like kind of doing it more of a team.
Did a few games to help us improve and watch the Crusaders train.
Me te whakaaro nui ki te anamata.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
All Black, rugby player, All Black.
I like to be a black fan.
Team on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yay!
Hora Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.
Ko te reo.